So anytime you test a panel for rust, you always just want to give it a little knock just to see, you know, if it's really rusted bad. What is up? How is everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. I know what you're thinking. Jason, something looks different, and you are right. I got a new hat. So let's get this motor on the engine stand. I got some bolts to bolt it up. Let's get started. So, got some bolts. Motor mount bolt. Let's put that over here. Or bell housing bolt. Yeah, that's what it is. So, we're gonna take these, get that, bolt it up to that, so we can put it on that. So let's get it. Holy crap, that worked. Wasn't expecting that. Well, let's get her up on the stand.
You were hunting through the back streets, looking for some bad things to come your way. You were wishing for some difference, sorting through the absence of problems in your head. But that was so long ago, things we made ain't there no more. But that was so long ago, things we thought still linger some more. Things we thought still linger some more. You were hunting through the back streets, looking for some bad things to come your way. You were wishing for some difference, sorting through the absence of problems in your head. But that was so long ago, things we made ain't there no more. But that was so long ago, things we thought still linger some more. Things we thought still linger some more.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is a day where I can get a bunch of stuff done. So, one thing I got for a buddy, got this oil drain. It's fitting to weld in this oil pan. Gonna knock that out real quick. I want to get the cam out of the motor just to see what it looks like, see if I need to order a new one. And then once I do that, I will be able to order the kit, and I'll have to wait a couple days. In the meantime, I'll get the motor cleaned up. Out here, got this thing sitting. Didn't know it was supposed to rain, so that's awesome. Then we got this beast that needs that fixed. that fixed, and that fixed. So this one was already fixed. In the springtime, I want to try to paint this whole thing, so we're gonna get that cleaned up a little better. I didn't do that panel, but so, well, it's a crappy day out. Welcome to Pennsylvania. A little tired. The first thing I gotta do is go get a coffee. I don't have any at my house. So, the only way to do that is to go get one.
What drew you here? Was it seen on TV, worked up in a dream? What made you stay? Was it consciousness of all the things you made? I can't help the sinking feeling. Everything is wrong.
When you're a sophisticated, classy person like me, sometimes you just gotta come to Starbucks. Get a real coffee. Can I get a venti caramel macchiato?
Is that a venti caramel macchiato?
Yes. Alright, so working on these panels on this Blazer. We got that panel, I already showed you that panel. And this panel. Now, I had to remove the bumper to get back to these. But I mean, it's a little soft. You never really want to push on it too hard, because you don't want to break all the rust out. It's kind of hard to tell where it's actually bad right there. I found it. Oh, we almost got the panels out. I think we're doing pretty good. For the update, this is a rusty beast. Got that one prepped. That one prepped. And this one prepped. Right now I gotta get metal to rebuild these. This one was really bad. Somehow I'm gonna have to rebuild this section right here. Rebuild this right here and put a little bend in it. And got the panels all prepped, ready to weld in, except for the fact this wheel arch I don't have that panel, but at this point I might as well fix it while it's at this point, so I gotta order that. I'm just really tired. Might be the day. Hang it up for the day. Go to bed. Alright, I have no idea where I am in this video, but got the S10 back in. Pressure washed somewhat of it clean. My next step is cleaning up all this wiring and figuring out what I Still need when I don't need. Pretty much I just don't need air conditioning stuff. Might just tuck that away somewhere. Motor is torn apart. That's where I'm at with that. As far as the Blazer, my grandpa's Blazer that patching in panels on. Finally got my 23 wire today. So I can finish welding up those panels. Gotta weld them all in. But yeah. Pretty random video here. Don't know what I'm gonna do tonight. Might just clean some stuff up. Kind of been working all weekend. It's Monday. A little tired right now. But I got the rebuild kit for this. It is on its way. I'm gonna try to get the block cleaned up. Make sure everything's nice on that, get it cleaned up, painted. Start putting it all back together. That way we can get it back in the S10. And put it up on jack stand, start getting the suspension blown apart on it. Making up the cups for it and throwing the bags in it. That way at least the front's done. Whenever I get to the back, probably pull it out, turn it around, pull it back in, get the bed off. I think pretty much have all the parts. I have all the bushings for it. I'm gonna do a 3-link in it. Probably just a 3-link and bags on the axles, or somewhat try to keep the stock gas tank. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm gonna do a little cleaning up work. Not really much to film, but yeah. I leave for Texas in 2 weeks. I'm gonna go film the Lone Star Throwdown show. I'm gonna film that whole trip. Should be pretty good. Probably buying a new camera for that. I'm not gonna film it all on the GoPro. So I'm hoping the new camera looks better, which the GoPro is not bad, but I just kind of wanted something with a little more cinematic shots to it. So yeah, that's where I'm at. So if you like this random video, come back and watch the next one. I'll be finishing up the Blazer probably tomorrow, Wednesday. I don't know how much of that I'm going to film because I just kind of really need to get it done. I'll show you the finished product. And as soon as the parts come for the motor, I'll have a rebuild video on that, and then we're going to get back into some better fabrication videos. I know rebuilding a 2.2 4-cylinder isn't that exciting, but it's content and I'm trying to film whatever I can. So that's where I'm gonna end it. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.
Find time, can you find time in the city night, in the city life, and what you feel is right, and you know deep down to let it go, but it doesn't make it easy to go slow. Trying my tired eyes, make phone smile, feel lonely and bright light, large stars. Take a path and go, go, go. Take a chance and go, go, go. What did you find?